Jeanette, and I'm here with Papercraft Essentials editor Ria Claire. Hi, Ria.
Hi.
You all right?
I am great. How are you?
I'm good. I'm really excited about issue 168 of Papercraft Essentials, which we have here, and you're going to tell us all about it.
I am.
So let's start off with the gift included in the issue.
So this is our Floral Mendy gift. I am really excited about this because it's non-Christmas. Yay! I know it's mid-December, but we're assuming that you've all done your Christmas crafting by now. So this is our Floral Mendy A6 stamp set and 3 coordinating dies. It's perfect for birthdays, all occasions, even some cute little Valentine's makes.
Oh,
and
nice.
you can also make 3D flowers from the stamps and the dies, so that's pretty cool.
Now, I'm really excited about the inspiration, and there are 13 ideas to try using the gift. And can we take a closer look at those?
We can do.
Yeah, okay.
So on page 15, Fiona Wilkes has made some really beautiful cards and a little gift tag as well to show you how versatile the gift is. They're really pretty. There's some Valentine's cards, as I say, some birthday, some all occasion. She's told you what Spectrum Noir pencils she's used to colour them in, so if you wanted to recreate her look, then you can do. Definitely worth a try. And on page 80, we've got Nikki Gilbert's designs. They're probably a bit more advanced. There's lots of heat embossing, lots of colouring. There's a step-by-step guide so you can recreate one of her cards. She's made some 3D flowers, those are really pretty as well. And just showed all of the different ways that you can use the gift.
And Nikki has also made the cover card, which we have here, and we're going to show you on the close-up camera because it's absolutely beautiful. And just look at the colors and the sparkle. I love it. Now, there are 127 exciting all-occasion ideas this issue, and what's your favorite? Do you have a favorite feature or a favorite project?
Yes, so my favourite feature this issue is the This Month We Love, which is on Valentine's Day. I know it seems a little bit early, but once Christmas is gone, I feel like Valentine's Day is the next
Right around the corner.
next big card making event. So we asked Sarah Gray, I really wanted some more sort of inky contemporary cards that you don't often see. I think sometimes they can be a bit fussy and a bit traditional. So I think these are really, really cute.
Really fun.
There's so many different designs to choose from. So if you wanted to use embossing folders or if you wanted to use stencils, she's got some really cool ideas on how to use those in a different way. So definitely worth a look. That's on page 76. So I've talked about what my favourite feature is. Jeanette, what are your favourite projects from issue 168?
I'm so excited to share about this. My favorite features are always the Stretch Your Stash.
Good choice.
Because there's ideas in there that I would not have thought of.
Yeah, that you might not have thought of just
Right.
do with your stash. So this issue, I'm really excited about our Stretch Your Stash. So it's using Christmas papers to make non-Christmas cards. So I'm sure, like me, everybody's got a stack of Christmas
I have a box full.
stash that they haven't been able to use or that they maybe wanted to save up for something else. So on page 26, Claire Gladman has made birthday cards, all occasion cards. She's used up her Paper Addicts Magic Moments paper pad, which is full of Christmas designs, and she's made it look really bright and colourful and not Christmassy at all.
I know.
Which is
That looks like just a regular all occasion,
Doesn't it?
like just all year round birthday card.
Really, really good ideas.
There are some great on-trend techniques this issue, and could you tell us a little bit more about those?
Yes, so this issue, our beginner's guide, is on watercolour block stamping, which isn't actually something that I've ever tried before, but Ingrid has done a fab job. These cards that are on page 30, they're just so pretty.
They're stunning.
I love the colour scheme, I love the technique. So she's used the technique to make backgrounds as well as sentiments and toppers. There is obviously a step-by-step guide, so if you're not confident in the technique, then Ingrid will talk you through it.
So helpful.
Definitely worth a look because they are really, really pretty.
And here's one of the cards that Ingrid has made, and we want to show that to you on the close-up because it's beautiful. Look at that.
It's so
It's the photography does not like it does, but there's something about just having it in your hand. It's so beautiful.
And our masterclass this issue is on shadow box cards. This is by Christine Smith. These are really fun, really interactive cards. Again, for birthdays and all occasions. There is a step-by-step guide because this can be quite tricky. It's why it's in our masterclass. So you probably will need to follow that if you're not familiar with shadow box cards. And you will need the templates, which can be found on our blog, papercraftmagazines.com.
It's never too late to subscribe to Papercraft Essentials, and this issue you have an amazing subscription offer.
Yes, so this issue, if you subscribe, you will get 3 issues for just £6, which is an absolute bargain.
Deal!
Yes, but be quick because this expires on the 10th of January, so treat yourself to a little Christmas present.
Nice.
Get a subscription.
And if you're not quite ready to subscribe to Papercraft Essentials, no worries, you can get the individual issue, which is issue 168. You can get that at craftstash.co.uk, moremags.com.
And you can also buy it from large supermarkets, WH Smith and independent craft retailers.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Ria, for stopping by and talking about issue 168, and we will see everybody real soon. Bye.
Bye.